Fun. What are you doing?
I eat candy cane.
Are you?
Yeah.
Did Mommy say you could have that candy cane?
Yeah.
I did?
Yeah.
I think you're telling a fib.
No.
Is it good candy cane?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Why are you hiding behind the chair?
Not too well.
Because you have a stool back there?
Yeah.
Hey, what's all those other wrappers from?
I eat it chocolate.
You ate the chocolate too?
I ate chocolate too, Mom.
Did you?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Did you ask Mommy?
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah.
I don't think you did. You didn't ask me. You have to ask Mommy first.
Okay.
Maybe you should throw the candy cane in the garbage.
Mom, look. Dirty.
Really?
Yeah. Mom, dirty.
Yeah, it's up here on the walls too. Oh, Evan. Oh, goodness. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Do you love Santa Claus?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you love your mommy?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.